In this morning's Ask the Vet segment, we get an update on a dog that we first told you about a little while back, who is now thriving after being hit by a truck.
Hi, I'm Dr. Donica Salamoon, and I'm here with Judy and with Bachi. And so just an update on Bachi. We saw Bachi a couple weeks ago. He came to us about 2 months ago now, almost 2.5 months ago. He was struck by a hit-and-run driver in Schenectady, and he came in with a broken leg. And so since then, we repaired his leg, and he is doing just wonderfully. You can see how much weight he's putting on that leg. He actually would love to run and jump. We've been restricting him a little bit, but he is at a point. We just took some more x-rays, and he's doing really well. He's a super friendly dog. He loves cats. He loves other dogs. And so he is ready to go to his new home. So he's just looking for someone to give him all the love that he keeps giving us, someone that has a yard, so we make sure he doesn't have any more run-ins with cars.
If you have a question that you'd like to ask the vets, just email it to askthevets@cbs6albany.com. Really easy.